Hello and welcome to 33 Flowers, the best podcast for learning English together. I am Emma and I am so happy to start this journey with all of you today.
Yes, welcome everyone. I am Norman and I am very excited to be here with Emma. This is day 1 and we have one big goal.
Exactly, Norman. Our goal is very simple. We want to speak English and we want to do it every day for 30 days.
30 days is a great number. It is not too long and it is not too short. We can do this together, step by step.
We can, Norman. But first, let us talk about who we are. I am Emma and I live in a big city. I love coffee and I love books.
And you love to talk, Emma. That is why you are the lead host of our wonderful channel, 33 Flowers.
That is true, Norman. I do love to talk, but my English is not perfect. Sometimes I make mistakes, and that is okay.
It is very okay. Making mistakes is how we learn. I am Norman, and I also want to make my English better.
You speak very well, Norman. Why do you want to study English? What is your big reason?
Well, Emma, I love to travel. I want to visit many countries. I want to talk to people in restaurants and shops.
Travel is a beautiful reason. When you speak English, the world feels very small and very friendly.
Yes, exactly. If I go to London or New York, I want to say, "Hello, where is the train station?" with confidence.
Yes, finding the train station is very important. For me, English is important for my work and for my friends online.
Oh yes, the internet is full of English. We watch videos, we read posts, and we want to understand everything.
Yes, sometimes I watch a movie in English and I do not understand the words. It makes me a little sad.
I know that feeling, Emma. We want to watch movies without reading the words at the bottom of the screen.
Yes, the subtitles. They are helpful, but we want to listen and understand directly. That is our dream.
It is a great dream. And this podcast, 33 Flowers, is here to help everyone reach that dream.
We have listeners from all over the world. Some are in Europe, some are in Asia, and some are in South America.
Wow, that is amazing. Hello to all of our listeners. Thank you for joining us on this very first day.
Today is day 1. The title of our show today is One Goal. Let us speak English. It is a fresh start.
A fresh start is beautiful. It doesn't matter if you know only 10 words or 100 words.
You are right, Norman. We start where we are. We do not worry about the past. We look at today.
So Emma, tell me, what is our plan for these 30 days on 33 Flowers?
It is a simple plan, Norman. Every day, we will talk about a new topic. We will use easy words.
Easy words are the best. We do not need big, difficult words to express our feelings.
No, we do not. We can say, I am happy, or I am tired. Simple sentences are strong sentences.
That is very true, Emma. Sometimes people try to say difficult things, and then they stop talking.
Exactly. They get scared. They think, oh, my English is bad, so I will be quiet.
We do not want that. On this podcast, we want you to speak. Speak with us, speak at home, just speak.
Yes! Shout it out! Even if you are alone in your room, say the words out loud with us.
Let us try that now. Everyone, say hello.
Hello! See, that is very easy. Now say, I can speak English.
I can speak English. Wow, that feels really good to say.
It does feel good. Norman, you are very supportive. I think you are the perfect partner for this podcast.
Thank you, Emma.
I want to support you, and I want to support everyone who is listening right now.
We are a team, the 33 Flowers team. Norman, why is the channel called 33 Flowers?
Oh, that is a lovely story. Flowers are beautiful, they grow every day, and they need water and sun.
Yes, and our English is like a flower. We need to give it a little water every day.
Exactly. 33 flowers represent our growth and our journey over these 30 days.
Plus a few extra flowers for good luck, I think.
Yes, we always need a little good luck. But mostly, we need practice.
Practice is the magic key. Norman, how do you practice English when you are at home?
I listen to music in English. I try to sing the songs, even if my voice is not very good.
Oh, I want to hear you sing, Norman. Maybe on day 30.
Maybe. If everyone is very good, I will sing a song. What about you, Emma?
I talk to myself. When I cook dinner, I say, now I am cutting the tomato. Now I am cooking the pasta.
Oh, that is a great idea. It is like a cooking show in your own kitchen.
Yes, I am the star of my kitchen. It helps me associate words with real actions.
That is a very smart way to learn, Emma. It makes English a part of your real life.
That is what we want. We do not want English to be a boring school subject. We want it to be fun.
School can be hard sometimes. Many rules, many grammar tests, and not enough speaking.
Yes, grammar is good, but speaking is alive. We want to speak and feel the language.
I agree. I want to ask you, Emma, are you nervous about this 30-day challenge?
A little bit, yes. It is a big commitment, but I am more excited than nervous.
That is the right energy. Being excited helps us learn faster. Our brains love excitement.
My brain certainly does. Norman, let us tell our listeners what they can expect tomorrow.
Tomorrow, we will talk about our daily routine. What we do in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night.
Oh, that is a very useful topic. We use those words every single day.
Yes, words like wake up, drink coffee, and go to sleep. Simple, but very important.
I love coffee. I think I say the word coffee 10 times a day.
Only 10 times, Emma? I think you say it 20 times.
Okay, maybe 20 times. But coffee is life, Norman. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer tea in the morning, but I like coffee in the afternoon when I am tired.
See? We are already speaking English and sharing our lives. This is so natural.
It is. We're just two friends having a chat in a beautiful studio.
Yes, this studio is very nice. The microphones are big and the walls are quiet.
It feels very professional. We want our listeners to have the best sound quality.
Yes, clear sound is very important when you are learning new sounds and pronunciation.
True. We want everyone to hear every word, every letter, and every laugh.
Yes, there will be many laughs on this journey, I promise you that.
I am looking forward to all of them. Emma, what is your favorite English word?
Ooh, that is a hard question. I think my favorite word is butterfly. It sounds so soft and happy.
Butterfly. Yes, that is a very beautiful word. I like the word sunshine.
Sunshine is lovely. It makes me feel warm just thinking about it.
We want 33 flowers to be like sunshine for our listeners. Warm, bright, and happy.
That is a beautiful thought, Norman. We are here to bring light to your English study.
No stress, no tests, just friendly conversations every day.
Yes, if you are listening in your car, on the bus, or in your kitchen, just relax.
Relax
and let the words go into your ears. You do not have to understand every single word today.
No, understanding 30% is a great start. Tomorrow, it will be 31%.
Step by step, flower by flower, we will grow together.
Well said, Norman. I think we are ready to wrap up a very first episode.
Already? Time flies when you are having fun and speaking English.
It really does. Thank you, Norman, and thank you to everyone who listened to Day 1.
Thank you, everyone. Do not forget to join us tomorrow for Day 2.
Yes, tomorrow we talk about our day. Have a beautiful day, keep smiling, and keep speaking.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow on 33 Flowers.
Bye-bye.